We now flash back to the year 2000 before Stevie faced his hit I'm in Love, which was inspired by his high school sweetheart. Let's get the backstory behind that track in our Fiwi Culture segment.
What was it that inspired the song I'm in Love?
Because I was actually in love. So I wrote that song for my girlfriend at the time, who became my wife and became the mother of my children, of course. I think music is life, and personally for me, I sing what I believe and I sing what I feel.
Where was I'm in Love recorded and who produced the track?
All right. It was recorded at Arrow's Recording, that's downtown, Winward Road, and Mr. Linton at the time, late great, was the producer for that song. He believed in that song.
You're so amazing, I love you more each day. You're so enticing in your own sweet way.
That song was done so easily. It's like, it was almost like a two-take. Sang it down the first time, and then they said sing it again, and I sang it down again, and that was it. So, I mean, it was like perfect, you know, it's like a download, you know. I wrote the song at home, I practiced it, and when the time came, I just went and I delivered, and it worked.
When you heard the song on the radio for the first time, describe that experience, that feeling.
Words can't express it, especially when you hear a reggae song like on IRA FM, or then you hear it on Fame FM, and for one day you hear it 4 or 5 times. You realize that your life is changing. I mean, every young artist, I mean, that's the way I aspire for getting, you know, you sing a song, you want to hear it, you want the people to hear it, you want the world to hear it. I knew that my life was changing. I mean, the dream coming true.
How did the song's success impact or change your life?
Financially, it changed my life. It brought me to the fore. I was a force to reckon with. After that, people realized that I actually could sing and I could write songs. So I got recognition right across. Brought me, I started getting shows here and there, you know what I mean. It was a life changer. I mean, nothing that you have, I'm a little country boy, I come from St. Thomas, Yallas Bush. So coming into Kingston, getting a song, having a video playing everywhere, songs charting everywhere, is just a life changer.
All right, we're gonna stir up some drama, you know. So let's say your partner and your best friend are both drowning. Who would you save? Members of the public told us in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment. Check it out.
Why Pree?
Family, how y'all going, sir? My best friend.
What make?
Cause him go always there, and my best friend go always there, but mama can just wake up a morning and say, yo, she no love me no more and dip. You see me as a family?
My best friend, no.
Why is that?
Because my partner could swim.
So your best friend can't swim?
No.
Well, it don't look away for the save a woman. You can save a man. Best friend here, but Jaja.
Boy, I'm gonna have to try and save both of them. I can't pick.
No, you can't save the two of them.
No,
One
I have to try.
Yeah, Wonder Woman.
I have to try.
Well, first of all, I can't swim well, so I feel like all 3 of us would probably drown anyways.
I can't swim. I'm out.
My best friend.
Why?
Because that's my best friend. We've been through thick and thin, and she always have my back, so I know that she'll have my back.
So your man now have your back?
Trust issues when it comes to relationship with my man.
All right.
Boy, that one the sticky still. That one the sticky, you know, I'm not going to answer that one today.
No, man, you have to answer, man. We are talking about, you have 5 seconds, brother. You have to make a choice now.
5 seconds? Yeah. You see me, we don't play it so with my partner, say a lifetime, you see me? Mm-hmm. A lot of time I change best friend in my lifetime because I'm change different ways, you see me? So I say my partner.
Alright, so you see Nalda Addy now? Nalda Addy would have saved him woman. That's just Nalda Addy though. But who would you save? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Alright, my side. So we left from Half a Tree, journey down Dunrobin Avenue, Pan Mandela, and now we're in Portmore, which means we're at the end of this week's episode. Until next time, I'm your boy Nalda Addy. Peace!